Welcome to HappyAddons, your ultimate tool for elevating your Elementor experience. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our Global Badge feature, a powerful enhancement designed to add flair and distinction to your Elementor website. Let's dive in and discover how to make your website stand out with customizable badges. Imagine you have a new item in your store, and you want to highlight the item as new arrival. With the Global Badge feature, you can easily achieve this. To have the Global Badge feature on your website, you will need HappyAddons Pro. Turning the Global Badge feature is as easy as flipping a switch. Simply toggle on the feature where you want your badge to appear and let the customization begin. Now let's customize your badge to perfection. You can choose from various preset styles like stripe, flag, circle, and more, or unleash your creativity with custom layouts. Let's explore all the settings of the Global Badge feature. You can add your desired shape to the badge by using clip path styling. Take your badge to the next level with dynamic effects such as rotation, opacity, and blur. With parameters like speed and visibility control, you have full flexibility to create stunning visual effects. You can set your desired icons to your badge. Also, you can add animated Lottie icons. Need to start fresh? No problem. Our reset button allows you to quickly revert badge settings to default, ensuring hassle-free customization. Once you're satisfied with your badge design, save your changes and preview the page to see your badge in action. It's that simple. Unlock endless possibilities for creativity and customization with HappyAddons today. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips, tutorials, and updates.